Hello friends, welcome to the channel again. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it, and please hit the like button also. So coming to Nifty analysis for 4th February. So here we have the 1 hour time frame pattern. So Aj already told you that we are long from this region. We are long from this region, and I'm still holding my longs. Okay, so what I'm looking is that the resistance here is 14,929. Okay, why the 14,929? Because the internal waves has been seems to be completed by 14,929. Okay, if tomorrow Nifty gap up or something and going down, okay, and if it is not holding this support 14,750, okay, then you could exit your long. Okay, so what will happen is that now this will complete, and now 1 minute. So what will happen is that now this wave will complete, that is the wave 1, and then wave 2 will come over here somewhere. Okay, we don't know, that is a question mark. Then it will head for the wave 3 and wave 4, then have wave 5. That will give the target when it will after one correction. Okay, so first wave will complete. So let's see how the first wave tomorrow is getting completed, or it is heading towards 15,200. What is the mark I have given? I'm still holding my views for 15,200, but it is not immediate. Okay, because this wave is going to be completed. Once this wave is getting completed, then we'll see a second, then we'll move for the third move, and third move you will see 15,200 will easily cross. Okay, so what here also one thing I need to point you out, that 13,600 is the rock support. Okay, rock bottom support. So till it's holding, no need to worry about the long term trade for the Nifty. So Nifty will be going up only. And yes, what I if you see, if you are holding still, and still you see that 14,750 also you want to hold something, then if it is coming out of this red zone, red channel line, that what I have drawn here, 13 days moving average red low, then you should exit, because you have to save whatever the profit you have made. Okay, so that's it guys for the Nifty. So let's see for the Bank Nifty. So yes, for the Bank Nifty, it seems that still there is a up move left, because I don't think the third internal move is completed. If it is falling, then I think it can take support from here, 33,676. Okay, if tomorrow is something happens, gap down or something, then it can fall near 33,699, or it can terminate. But I still think there is a much more left. So I am thinking that 35,448 can be the one of the target for the this one for tomorrow. Okay, if it is now, if it is tomorrow, it will make zigzag and it can go up 30. This one will be the target, 35,448. So this is what I am telling, the minimum target for the Bank Nifty can be 35,448. Else if it is coming down, and if it is going, okay, going below this 33,585, one you can get out of the trade, because it will move similarly to the this one, similarly to the Nifty also. It will make a wave 1, then 2, okay, then 3, okay, then 4, then 5. So this is what, so we'll see the internal moves, but tomorrow this can be the resistance for the Bank Nifty, 35,448. okay, today it is 34,696. so let's see how much move it can give. Okay, but I'm positive for Bank Nifty. That's it. Please subscribe to the channel and like the videos, I will update you for tomorrow. For tomorrow. Okay.